Biology textbooks often depict the cell as a collection of squishy blobs or passive chemical goo. This representation simplifies the chemistry, but it obscures the intense physical reality of the environment. At the nanoscale, every molecule exists in a state of high-speed collisions. This generated video shows the actual environment, a relentless storm of geometric particles striking one another billions of times per second. This state of constant, violent shaking is known as thermal jitter. The microscopic universe is a riot of impacts, creating an environment that is physically destructive to any complex structure. Left in an open environment, these forces quickly tear apart organized molecules, reducing structural order back into random chemistry. To survive here, matter must stop reacting randomly to these impacts. It has to establish a localized, repeating rhythm that can withstand the surrounding turbulence. Lice functions as a mechanical engineering solution to this problem. It is the result of matter organizing to persist in the face of physical collapse. The cell membrane provides the first essential mechanical victory. It functions as a dynamic shield, creating a stable boundary against the external storm. This boundary creates a controlled interior. By separating the inside from the outside, the cell prevents its internal components from being scattered and lost to the surrounding chaos. Once a safe interior exists, the system requires a way to remember its own architecture. It must be able to rebuild itself faster than physics can break it down. This is the role of DNA. As shown, it is a physical rhythm archive, storing the cell's blueprint as a stable, three-dimensional repeating molecule. The double helix can be physically split and recopied, ensuring specific patterns of motion are preserved for the next generation. Biological heredity is the preservation of structured motion. It is a physical pattern surviving its reconstruction. Stored memory is only effective if the cell has the machinery to read, transport, and execute the instructions found in the DNA. The interior of the cell operates like a microscopic city of organized motion, where every structure has a specific mechanical job. Molecular walkers step along internal fibers to move cargo, while structures like this video shows act as high-speed mechanical rotors, continuously producing cellular parts. These rotors are driven by molecular gradients, spinning relentlessly to assemble the complex components for survival. Specialized enzymes act as torque-driven separators, physically unzipping the DNA archive so information can be accessed. Walking, spinning, pumping, and unzipping are literal mechanical actions. These are the clockwork movements that sustain the living state. Biology is defined by this aggressive, continuous physical choreography. A cell remains alive only as long as this motion continues. Maintaining this level of activity requires a constant source of power. To find it, life looks towards the very chaos that threatens to destroy it. Life acts as a thermodynamic hacker, exploiting thermal jitter. In this ratchet mechanism, random particle bombardment is funneled by the gear's shape, forcing it forward. Many proteins act as these ratchets, using destructive impacts to take precise, one-way forward steps. When the cell needs to perform work that requires more directed force, it utilizes a specialized molecule called ATP. ATP functions as a physical, loaded molecular spring. Its phosphate groups are packed into a strained configuration, holding trapped motion tension. When the cell triggers a move, the ATP molecule splits. That trapped tension snaps loose, providing a mechanical shove that rotates a motor or resets pumps. Cellular order emerges when disorder is captured, redirected, and fired by millions of tiny spring releases. The life of a cell is the synchronized operation of these parts, with boundaries holding, the archives unzipping, the ratchets turning, and springs snapping. Matter reaches the threshold of life when it becomes recursive. It achieves a state where it can continuously rebuild its own pattern faster than the environment can tear it apart. DNA is the anchor of this cycle. It provides the memory rhythm that ensures the machinery always rebuilds the same structure, allowing the loop to continue indefinitely. This distinguishes a cell from a rock or a crystal. While ordinary matter eventually yields to decay, the cell persists through continuous self-reconstruction. A living cell is organized matter that has successfully learned to remember its own pattern, harness the surrounding chaos, and remain in motion.